this is the player HQ. So this is a fully fledged, I would say, headquarter. But when you will start the game and start in the GT4 category, those buildings won't be constructed. So you are going to progressively construct those buildings. This is a late save game, and this is why everything is already built. So you start really like with one building, and then as you progress through seasons, you build additional buildings and departments. Let's have a look around maybe on the screen. So starting from left, we have the Manufacturers Cup. Those are side races, so those are not part of the championship. So maybe if you want to highlight the icon. So Manufacturers Cups are side races where you can get some extra money during the season. And again, progressively as you progress through the different championships or car categories, you have more and more car manufacturers or Manufacturers Cups to play. And there's a certain number of races per season to be done alongside your championship. We're going to have a look at Manufacturers Cups probably at the next stream. So we won't look at that today. Next we have the car showroom. So car showroom is not actually your garage. So those are all the cars available to you as a player for the game. Then we have the research. Again, we won't be talking about the research today. Research is a building that helps you find additional parts, but also upgrades existing parts. So you have like few characters, searchers, that you can equip into slots, and then it takes time to research certain parts, but when you come back from races, then those searchers will provide you additional parts. Again, those will be detailed in the next stream. Then we have marketing. So this is one of the 3 buildings we're going to have a look at today, but we'll go for a first race before looking into the buildings. Next we have the technical trials, which are actually private testing. This is something that we unlock during the progression. This has a lot of stats, so this helps you understand your performance. So you can of course understand what is the difference between the tires, like how much time you gain between a soft tire and medium tire, but also the impact of the fuel load on your performance. You can also set up cars to basically maximize some of your stats against other ones. So depending on each track, some tracks are more favorable for, let's say, top speed. Other tracks are more favorable for a strong handling for the car. So depending on the track needs, you may want to rebalance some of your stats. And this section of the game is dedicated to that. So you're going to spend a lot of time in that section, because this is like really like the best way to understand all the car stats and driver impacts and so on. Again, next time we're going to have a look at this. Then we have the garage driver building. A garage is where you equip your car with additional parts. You also have engineers that helps you have better performance on your car. Driver building is where you have all your drivers, but also all the staff around your drivers to make your driver perform better, like physiotherapists and training equipments as well. And finally, the racing crew is the team that you bring to the races, which will give you a lot of information during the race. We have a radio message system, and those characters actually give you a lot of insights. So the more you develop those characters and the more information you will get, or more precise information you will get during the race. You also have like the crew, the pit crew. So if you improve those guys, if you train those guys, then they will perform quicker pit stops as well. I think we went around. Maybe we should have a look at the top bar.
Yep.
So top bar from left to right, you have your team name and stats and everything. Again, we won't be looking at that because there's a lot of things that are changing at the moment, so we're going to have a look at that next time. The car PI is, as we discussed, your current performance indicator. Then you have the calendar for the current season, so we are in the 2029 season. We are in February, and each time you perform a race, then the calendar progresses by one month.
Maybe we can take a look at the calendar.
Yeah, this is even more clear. So we are in February. This is the first race of the season. January is pre-season. So January is where we have selected the sponsors, drivers, and cars for the season. Then February will be our first race in Spain, and then we'll follow by 9 more races, which completes the championship of 10 races. And as you can see also, this shows the moment where you unlock some more components for the HQ, like the racing crew department or the research department. At the end of the year, of course, you have the results, so you can review your performance over the season. The rest is just the financial, your position in the championship, and the game options as well.